Hello. On this occasion, we will present about our product. The product was AddService app. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Medhi Premana Kertiyasa.
And my name is Zaeni Abdul Majid.
My name is Ketut Utut Arta Gunawan.
My name is Bagus Apriliyanto.
First, identified problem will explained by Zaeni Abdul Majid.
Okay, I will explain about the identified problem. Now, along with along with the times, there are a lot of people who are still having trouble finding service, be it electronic goods service, toilet drain service, motorbike service, and other. The workplace facilities and the information provided are sometimes only limited to banners in front of the workplace. This is what makes it difficult to find certain service. Based on identification of the problem above, our group intends to create an application that provides a place to provide service owner in the order to place their service beside helping service owner to promote their service, not only promotion but also helping user to find their service need. Now, with this application, it is hoped that later people who use this application will not have to bother anymore to find the service they need and no longer need to go out to look for service. This application will also provide all information about the service they need, and later this application we give the name AddService.
Okay, I will explain about review of available apps. System information at service is similar to the 2Pi apps. This app helps us to find service provider. The app provides an online shopping experience for its users. There are many choice of services available on 2Pi apps, ranging from electronic service, makeup, massage, photography, and others. This app is only available in Jakarta and Surabaya. From the shortcoming of the 2Pi apps, we created a system information service, which was added as follows: expanding service provider throughout Indonesia. Payment can be directly through the app. We create the closed service feature in the user area or provide discount for customer. To find a service provider in the system information at service, this app is same as online shopping. Online shopping apps, we can choose what service we will need, and after that, we just need to have conversation with service provider to discuss the availability of processing time before ordering their service.
Next, I will explain about the product developed. Number one is explaining of the AddService application. The AddService application is a software that help user find service, starting with complaints from people who find it difficult to find service such as draining the toilet, massage, photographer, etc. The AddService application provide two features, namely the service list, the service list feature, and using service. So AddService aims to provide a place to register their service so they can be accessed by user who need this service. This application was developed to areas in Indonesia. Comparator applications such as Tupai only cover the Jakarta and Surabaya city. And the purpose of the AddService application is to provide service throughout Indonesia. Number two was AddService function. In accordance with the meaning of the AddService application, the function of this application is not far from the purpose of the AddService application being created. The AddService application is function to make it easier for user to find service provider by using the chat system that is already available in the application service. User can also register their service by adding their username, service description, service price, and service documentation if any. Next, we'll explain about the UI design as service. If you can see in the left side, that was a login UI. The feature in the service application are slightly different from the comparison application. Tupai, here are the feature is the application AddService application. Number one was login. Application user must login before using service or wish to register the service. This aim to avoid identify falsification when making transaction, and also to regulate the identification. Next was register. If the user has not been create an account, the register feature is available on AddService application. The user can use a Gmail account to create the account in AddService application. Next is the UI for register service. If the user need to register their account, they will need to input their name, phone number, address, company name or the service name, and the description of the service. Next was the main menu and detail service. In the service list feature, users are required to fill out a service registration form which contains the full name in according with the birth certificate, personal, company phone number, address, name of service or company, and a description of the service. In the left side was a main menu. In this feature, there is service information that aims to show what service are in the AddService application. On the right side was a detailed menu of the service application. Example, if we click the massage, and we will see many lists for a service application. Next was conclusion, will explain by Bagus.
Okay, so next I'm explain about conclusion. So from the explanation of the above, it can be concluded that the AddService application is software that helps user find service such as cleaning the toilet, massage, photographer, etc. Besides that, AddService also has several features, namely login, register, list of service, and find service. So the AddService application also functions to make it easier for user to find service provider by using the chat system that is already available in the application service from the function and user above. It is hoped that community will be more helpful in lightening the work with this AddService.
Okay, thank you for watching this presentation. See you.